Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a KuCoin account easily. So just tap on KuCoin official website and just tap to log in. And when you tap on it, so inside you will see like this. So you can just sign up with email or phone number. Instead your choice. You can log in with Telegram, Google or Apple account. But right now I just tap manually my email, and I will already created my account, but when you just put your email and after next you will just set the strong password above 8 characters, and after when you create it you can just again simply logged in, just type your email address and put the password of yours, and after he will send a verification on your email. Just tap on this human icon and it will be send a 6-digit code to your email. You will just find it, your recent code, and just add it. And after when you tab your 6-digit verification, you will be logged in. This is actually how to create account easily on KuCoin. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.